Hey, it's Kenny. Microsoft has announced that Windows 11 will require that you have a Microsoft account in addition to internet connectivity in order to be able to activate the operating system. Now, a number of people are up in arms about this because why do I have to have a Microsoft account to use a computer, especially if I'm using this computer more so just for local use and not for actual internet access? It all comes down to the data that you generate, whether it be the websites that you visit, the items that you buy online, the software that you purchase. It all comes down to that. Microsoft has already mentioned that they will be taking the data, words, paragraphs, speeches, whatever you type into Microsoft Word, and feeding that information directly into their AI. This all comes back to the data because now if they know which sites you visit the most, they can then say, hey, we can sell that data to those retailers or those other companies saying these many people visited these sites. I have been using Linux as my primary computer at home for well over 10 years now, and it does not have the same requirements. If you work in tech or you just don't like to be surveillanced to the utmost extent, you'll want to consider installing Linux going forward. Which version of Linux? Doesn't matter. Those requirements are not placed on any of them. And if there's one distro that does start doing and mandating those type of requirements, you can easily switch to another distro and keep it moving.